my class on EEG. EEG or electroencephalogram is the recorded representation of bioelectric potentials generated by the neuronal activity of the brain. In short, it is a record of brain waves. At the root of all our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors is the communication between neurons within our brain. So the EEG is a record of these brain waves. Brain waves are detected using sensors placed on the skull. The EEG has a very complex pattern and more difficult to recognize than ECG. It represents the combined effect of potentials from a wide region of the cerebral cortex and from various points beneath. The EEG waveforms. Clinical EEG measurements are obtained from electrodes placed on the surface of the skull. These waveforms represent a very gross type of summation of potentials. These potentials originate from an extremely large number of neurons in the vicinity of the electrodes. The 1020 EEG electrode system. The electrode placement is shown in the picture. The 1020 electrode placement is a standard one, and it is so named because electrode spacing is based on intervals of 10 and 20% of the distance between specified points on the skull. The electrodes. For clinical measurements, surface or subdermal needle electrodes are used. The ground reference electrode is often a metal clip on the earlobe. A suitable electrolyte paste or jelly is used with the electrode to enhance coupling of the ionic potentials to the input of the measuring device. The resistance of the path through the skull between the electrodes must be kept as low as possible to reduce interference and effect of electrode movement. The electroencephalograph or the EEG machine is shown in the picture. The electroencephalograph records microvolt level signals, so it requires sufficient amplifiers, and there will be a readout or recording device. EEG waveforms. Below 3.5 Hz is called a delta wave, 3.5 to 8 Hz is called a theta wave, 8 to 13 Hz is called a alpha wave, and above 13 Hz is the beta wave. Now, each type of brainwave controls a variety of states of consciousness ranging from sleep to active thinking. Gamma waves are greater than 40 Hz. It represents higher mental activity including perception, problem solving, and consciousness. 13 to 39 Hz will be beta waves, represent active busy thinking, active processing, active concentration and cognition. 7 to 13 Hz will be alpha waves obtained when you are calm, relaxed, but yet alert. 4 to 7 Hz are theta waves for deep meditation, relaxation and rapid eye movement or REM sleep. Less than 4 Hz are delta waves obtained for deep dreamless sleep, loss of body awareness. And these waves are shown in the picture: delta wave, theta wave, alpha wave, beta wave, and gamma wave. Typical EEG patterns for sleep are shown here. So what is biofeedback? Experiments on biofeedback have shown that under certain conditions, people can learn to control their EEG patterns, that is by feedback, to some extent. Evoked responses. This is a measure of the disturbance in the EEG pattern that results from external stimuli such as a flash of light or a click of sound. Applications of EEG. EEG studies are used to study epileptic seizures and tumors, psychological research purposes. References: Biomedical Instrumentation and Measurement by Leslie Cromwell and Co. Thank you.